Hello everyone, welcome to the video 8 from the asset series. In today's video, we will see 3 different questions from the grade 9 asset math paper. So the first question on the top left is mensuration. We are shown a hollow cylinder, that is the top and bottom is empty, it's not solid. You can think of a tissue, the roll, the cardboard that's inside, or a pipe. So this is the cylinder. The diameter is 14 and the height is given to be 7. It's cut along this dotted line and opened up. Obviously, it looks like a parallelogram. If you observe, when you open it up, the circumference is what opens up to the length. And this will still be the height, which is 7. Now, area of a parallelogram is base into height. Base is this, the length, which is the circumference of the cylinder. Now, circumference is 2 pi r. So, 2 into pi into, if the diameter is 14, the radius is 7. So, 14 pi is the circumference, which is also the base. Pi into, the height is 7. So, now substituting, since in the options you see there is no pi, there is no decimal. So, we can use the value of pi as 22 by 7. The 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 14. 22 into 10 is a 220. 22 into 4 is a 88. Adding, we get 308, which is option D. Square centimeter, the area, so it should be in square centimeter or square units. So watch out for the unit also. Coming to the sum on the right, we have this rectangle PQRS. The angles SPT is 30, TUQ is 130. We are asked to find out the measure of PTU. Now, this indicates that this is 90. And if it's a rectangle, these two are 90 as well. So, since this is asked, it means STR is on a straight line. So, all these angles should form a linear pair. If we find this and this, we can automatically get this. 90, 30 is a 120, which makes angle PTS 60. From the angle measure sum of a triangle, all of them should add to 180. Now, TUQR is a quadrilateral, specifically a trapezium, because UQ and TR are parallel. We know that angles of a trapezium should add up to 360 degree. We have, this is 130. This should be 90, 90. So, 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 130 is a 310. So, the remaining angle UTR should be 360 minus 310, which is a 50 degree. So, if this is 50, if this is 60, 50 and 60 make 110. A linear pair makes it 180 total. So, this should account for 70. And option C is the answer. This is how we come up with the answer. Coming to the question below. Prime factorization of 45630 is given. So, 2 into 3 power 3 into 5 into 13 squared. So, product of prime factors. All the numbers are only prime numbers with powers. Which of the following has a square root? That's a whole number. So, if the square root has to be a whole number, it means all the numbers inside should be in pairs. So, which means they have to be in multiples of 2 so that they can be paired. If you take the first option, already we have the prime factorization of this. So a 6 is extra. 6 prime factorization is 3 into 2. The 3 can go here. It will become 3 power 4, a pair. The 2 can go with the 2 squared. But we notice that the 5 is still left alone. So obviously this option will not come. In the second, it's 10. 10's prime factorization is 5 into 2. In this case, we will have a pair for 5 and 2. But this is still 3 cube, which means only 3 squared will come as a pair. There will be 1 3 that's still remaining. Going to the third option, 25. 25 is 5 squared. So, this will be, we already have a 2 alone, a 3 cube alone. With the existing 5, a 5 squared joins, we have 5 cube. So, clearly all these 3 are without pairs. So, C also is not correct. Let us finally come to D. 30 into 45630. The prime factorization of 30 would be 2 into 3 into 5 into our existing 2 into 3 cube into 5 into 13 squared. Now 2 has a pair, 3 also has got a pair, 5 has also got a pair, 13 already has a pair. All of them are in pairs. When we take square root, it will become, this will be the final answer. So we don't need to calculate it, but we know for sure that it's going to be a whole number. So D is definitely the answer for this question. So this is how you're supposed to proceed with questions involving prime factorization. I hope that was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.